It's Kilo's Kitty here. It's Kilo's Kitty. What's up, guys? It's Kilo's Kitty here. We are here in another video. We're here making slime. I have this kind of glue. All you need is one glue. And then if you want to add some glitter, you can. I picked red because it's in Christmas color. Wait there because I'm going to charge you guys. We're here in a different spot because we're charging. Oops. Also got this little cup. Yeah, I'm going to put this in the side. And yeah, also you need a bowl. Empty bowl. Also you need some of this. One time. If you don't have it, you can use others, like this one. You can use other soap washers. You can use other soap washers, yeah. But I'm using that one for now. I'm gonna do this slime video thing later because Bob has a performance, and I'm gonna show you guys. Let's charge you.
Pauwi ako ng Pinas next week. Siya nga pala. Nakuha ko pa yung invitation na sinend last
month. It's not charging.
Ay, oo nga. Para malapit. Wala ko natanggap ako ng invitation ni Ate Jennifer last month. Ay, wala sa isip ko.
Yeah, so it's charging right now, and we have this stuff. And we're gonna do it right now. Also, you can also add a little water. I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna take off. I have purple glue, and it's brand new. I got it a long time ago, but it's brand new. So get some glitter. It's nice. I'm just gonna add a little. I'm gonna add. Do I have another red? Well, it's okay. I do not need glitter for other stuff. And we also have this. I couldn't find another one. I couldn't find like little cups, so I found this one. It's for washers, soap washers. Yeah. Squeeze them on the side. As well, we are going to use. Yeah. I'm really excited. I'm gonna get a chair. Got a chair. Let's go sit, and then make our slime. Because Baba's fixing her hair, and while we're gonna make slime, I guess I'm just gonna check on them. So we have no time, so I guess I'm gonna do it when we come back home, okay? Nothing. I'm gonna do the slime thing when we come back. First, we're gonna add some glue. Then the soap washer thing for the clothes, and some glitter, and then some water. Yeah, So I'm gonna see you guys like maybe later, or I'm gonna start on right now. Yeah, maybe I'll start on right now. No. Yeah, I should start on right now. I like the color, but it smells weird. It smells like broccoli. Yeah. I'm just kidding, later. We should do it later. I don't know, because this is a bad idea. We might run out of time. We should do it later. Yeah, I'm going to get the whole glue bottle and then boom, dump it in. I'm not going to use this because it's hard. Oh no!
Just a little bit lang, ha? Kiss mo na.
She also has fake eyelashes.
You're so bad, ba?
She has fake eyelashes.
You got fake eyelashes?
Bob, come on, check out. Come on, let them see. Bob, Bob, please. See, here's Bob. I'm going to ballet. Hey, come on. Do you look so...
Come here. Laban, no, come on. Mother, sasama ka ba? Alis na tayo, maya.
Wow, she looks so pretty. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Yeah, and then we're gonna make slime. Wait, don't like it. Well, that's okay. So see ya.
Crazy nga yung mga fake.
Scarf and hat with gloves to match. I wish more snow would fall. Put friends in a row. Angels in the snow. Hope the sun that shines today won't melt my snow away.
Pinakamagaling.
Okay, no. Okay, we are here, and we're gonna put the glue in, and I'm also going to. I'm also going to add a little water. So first, we're just gonna add a little water. So pour the water in. Okay, here you talk to them first, because while I'm gonna add some water, guys. What are we gonna make? Tell them what are we gonna make. We're gonna make slime. Slime. Slime, mommy. Okay. Slime. So here's this one's wait. Yeah. Wait, no. Okay. Here, ready, set. Pour. Yeah. So you're gonna add some like 2 cups of water. So this is too much water. I'm gonna take away a little. All we just need is a little water. You can do like half. Yeah. You can do like half of the cup. Just do half of the cup. Yeah, half of the cup, and next we are going to add some glue. Yeah, and I can put some spring in here. Okay, we can add some glue. Whoa! Oh, that's too much? Too much. Okay. Now it's good. Okay, good. This is good. Whoa. Okay, now like blast. Now it's good. Mom, the toast is ready. No, we're not out gonna. So talk to them because I'm gonna go get some. And the sprinkle is here. Mom.
What's that?
First slime.
That's, I think that's not, that is fabric conditioner.
Huh?
That's a fabric conditioner. What do you need?
I do need it.
Fabric conditioner?
Just like a little touch. Okay. Would you help me, please? Oh, yeah, sure. No, Mommy.
What do you want?
Never mind.
Just here?
A little touch. Stop. Okay, then we're gonna... I'm gonna pour it. Okay, ready? Ooh, some slime. Okay. Ah, on my finger. Wait, no. So how much? We need something to mix it. We need to mix it. I want two. No, we need to mix it. Mix it? I got a straw to mix it. I want to mix two.
Annie?
I do not know, Miss. They did not say that I have. I don't. They did not say I'm absent on Annie. No. I want to mix two. Ooh, wait, I need to mix it. Ooh, I need to mix it.
mix it in slime.
I think
It's getting purple.
I know. Wait,
Ooh, it's purple.
it's not turning into slime.
It's not turning into slime.
Wait, can you stop? Because I'm gonna get a better mixer.
Mom, can you make me toast?
Yeah, I'm making toast right now.
Hey, I can too.
You can have those too.
Okay, I can mix them now. Mix them.
I got a better one.
Get a better one.
Ah,
Turning slime. Oh, it's purple. Hey, stop. Mix it.
Guess we need a little bit more water.
Yeah. We make it soy upty, Baba. Yeah.
Mga 6 o'clock tayo alis ha.
Okay. Ooh. Let's add some glitter.
I'll pour some glitter at the.
No, cause. Good.
Okay, now mix them.
Mix them.
Mix them. Mix it.
Guess a little bit more glue.
Sa taas.
Wait, more glue.
I mix
that's
it
good.
now. Mix it now.
Okay, this is good. So just a little added more touch of glue.
And
This is, we are using Elmer's.
Okay, I'm gonna put some more glue.
No, we don't need more glue. That's it.
Mom, make me some toast.
You want You want butter with your toast?
No.
I want.
You want?
Okay, mix it. Ew, you wet on me.
God! You want toast?
Guess we need a little add more water.
You want
Mom, I need some wipes.
You get it in the room.
Okay. In the living room.
Gusto niyo mag-hot chocolate?
So, up, please. Yes, please. So, I'm gonna go check you guys later if it'll go good. I think this will be it. We set the slime in the fridge for 5 minutes. We're just doing it right now. We just set the slime in the fridge for 5 minutes right now. So I'm gonna set the clock for 5 minutes. So see ya. So this slime video is a fail. So yeah, we've been mixing it until it will be slime, but it's not gonna be slime. So I also put it in the fridge for 3 times, I guess. And yeah, and we decided what to make it out of. We're gonna make it like something smelly. We're gonna grab a scoop, then put it on. And yeah, cause we added this. Yeah. We also added some glitter. Wait, let's see if we should add some scent on this.
And guys, we make it blue.
Yeah, we made it blue. See, it's blue. It's light blue.
But it's dark.
Hey, what's a ghost's favorite color? Comment down below.
It's white.
No. It's okay. Pause the video and comment down right now. If you guess light blue, you are correct.
Boo!
And if you guess the wrong color down there, I will say nice try. Yeah, so, and if you guess the right color down below in the comments, comments, I will say good job. So, thank you guys for watching. Please thumbs up, subscribe.
Bye. Love you.
Bye. Let's dig you in.